Are you ready to unlock the secrets of English and begin on an extraordinary linguistic journey? Welcome to English Oriented, the ultimate destination for all English language enthusiasts. Whether you are a beginner, an advanced learner, or an English enthusiast, this channel is designed with you in mind. Our primary goal at English Oriented is to provide you with comprehensive and advanced knowledge of grammar and tenses. We understand the importance of mastering these fundamental aspects of the English language, as they form the backbone of effective communication. We provide valuable resources, expert tips, and immersive experiences that will empower you to excel in English and communicate with confidence. Get ready to embark on a thrilling linguistic adventure where education meets entertainment and every video is a journey of discovery. So if you're ready to elevate your English skills, hit that subscribe button and join our community of English enthusiasts. Let's learn, grow and connect together.